Hi, it is a known fact, and you also must be aware that a large population across the globe indulge in stock market investment or trading. But unfortunately, most of the people do it without understanding the basics or the concepts of how the stock market functions. People normally buy shares hoping that the price will increase, and they sell the shares when the price goes up. But if the price does not go up, then they get stuck with the stock holding for years together. They are reluctant or not willing to sell the shares at a loss, and therefore, for years together, they remain stuck with their holdings. But they refuse to spend time in understanding how things work in the stock market. Why do people invest or trade without understanding what they actually do? What is the reason for indulging in stock market without adequate understanding of the subject? The reason is that when people try to understand stock market as a whole, it seems quite a complex subject, quite a complex thing. People get confused and they give up learning. But when you try to understand only what is a stock or a share, then it is very simple to understand. And then when you try to understand why should there be a market for buying and selling stocks, then again it becomes a very simple thing. Thereafter, when you put 2 plus 2 together and try to understand stock and market together, the stock market becomes a very, very simple thing. So in this course, what we are going to do is, we shall first understand in detail what a stock or a share is. We shall understand the various characteristics and the types of shares, and also why should the price of shares change from moment to moment and day to day. Then we will try to understand what is the need or why should there be a need for buying and selling shares. And then how does this buying and selling happens. Now once you understand all these things, then a clear picture of stock market emerges and it becomes very easy for you as to how things work in the stock market. So when you try to learn stock market as a whole, it is a complex thing. And when you understand stock and market separately, then the whole picture becomes very, very clear.